In this video, I'll walk through an example of finding the rate of reaction for formation and rate of reaction of one of the reactants when we are given the reaction rate of one of the reactants. Now, you could be given one of the reaction rate of a product and find the reaction rate of anything, but you need to know at least one of the reaction rates. So consider the reaction. The N2 gas plus 3H2 yields 2 NH3. These coefficients become important for this rate of reaction. Now this NH3 is ammonia, and that word will show up later in the problem. So NH3 is ammonia. Suppose that at a particular moment during the reaction, molecular hydrogen, that's the H2 molecule, is reacting at a rate of 0.085 moles per second. At what rate then is ammonia being formed, and at what rate is molecular nitrogen reacting? Molecular meaning the N2 molecule. Let's look at these coefficients. We have 1 mole of the nitrogen gas and 3 moles of the hydrogen gas, and that yields 2 moles of the ammonia gas, or 1 molecule, 3 molecules, and 2 molecules. No matter how you look at it, these coefficients are what we want to pay attention to. So the general template is this. We have the known rate, and that is, for this problem, 0.085 moles per second. You'll multiply that known rate by just a ratio. So you're looking at these ratios. We're going to do ammonia first. And are we going to do 2 to 3 or 3 to 2? Well, you only have 2 moles of ammonia being formed for every 3 moles of hydrogen, so it's actually going to be 2 to 3, but I'll give you this general. Let's look at the coefficient of the unknown over the coefficient of the known, and by that I mean the coefficient of the compound whose rate is known and the coefficient of the compound or molecule whose rate is unknown for the numerator. So for ammonia, we have this. We have the known rate, 0.085, multiplied by the coefficient of the unknown, that's the ammonia, so 2 over the known, that's the hydrogen gas, that's 3, and we get approximately 0.057 moles per second. 0.057 moles per second. That's the how fast NH3 is being formed. Being formed at a rate of 0.057 moles per second. Now, if you already have the answer for nitrogen, excellent, excellent. I love that a student will work ahead, try it, and then check it out. Let's see if it works. This known rate, 0.085, multiplied by the ratio of the unknown, the coefficient of the compound whose rate is unknown, and that's 1, because that's the coefficient of the nitrogen gas, over the 3, that's the coefficient of the compound whose rate is known, and we have 1/3 of 0.085 is approximately equal to 0.028 moles per second, and that's the reaction rate of the hydrogen gas, molecular hydrogen. Good, good. Rate of reaction. I hope that was helpful. If you did find that helpful, please consider liking it or sharing it with a friend.